Here's your 120 chart.
I'm doing it.
And, okay, do you remember how to do this? Okay, throw one dice. Throw a dice against my arm. Okay, you got a 3. Put 3 pennies in the cup.
1,
Okay, count them out one at a time. 1, 2.
2, 3.
Okay, put them in. That's 3 pennies. We got a 3. Okay, put them in the cup. All right, now throw the other dice against my arm. 5. Now get 5 more pennies. Okay, now put those in the cup. Okay, now do you know how many pennies are in this cup? 8? Could be. You might be right. Let's see if you, before we check it, let's see if you remember how to do it. What do we do with the 3? Put a penny on the 3, and then we pick up the other penny, and what do? We touch it, and how many are we going to move?
5 spaces.
Go ahead, move 5.
1,
Yep,
2,
yep.
3, 4.
Okay, and where is that second penny? Where's that penny now? 8. So that tells you that there's 8 pennies in here, right? So let's see if it is. Count them up. Turn it over. Turn it over. And count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Did you get 8?
Yes.
So you got it right. So you knew how many pennies were in that cup. Okay. That's very good. Let's try another one, okay? So here. Throw your arm out. Throw it on my arm. Whoa, you got a 5 this time. So get 5 pennies.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, now here you go. Okay, put them in the cup. All 5. Get them in the cup.
Stack.
Okay, give me the cup. Now, let's throw this dice. See what we get. You got a 7, so get yourself 7 pennies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay, put them in. You got 7 pennies, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now, you know how many pennies are in this cup? 9? I don't think so. Let's figure it out. Use the 2 pennies, okay? Come on, go ahead. What do you do first?
5 plus 5 is 10.
Huh?
5 plus 5 is 10.
Yeah, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. You know that one, but this one you don't know. So where do you put the first penny?
At 5.
On the 5, right. And now what do you do with the second one? Tap the penny, and then how many are you going to move?
5 spaces.
No, what was on the second dice?
7.
7. So how many are you going to move?
7 spaces.
7 spaces. Go ahead.
3, 4, 5, and 6, 7.
And now, put a penny down. Now, how many pennies do you think are in here?
12.
12. Let's find out if you're right. I think you are. Turn it over and count them.
1, 2, 3,
Right. 4,
4,
5,
6,
a little louder.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You're right. Okay, let's do one more, and then we'll play the game, okay? All right. Throw the dice. First dice.
Anything on?
Yeah, it's on. 4. Put 4 pennies in the cup. Take 4 pennies. Put them over. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, put them in the cup. Pick them up. Throw them in. 1, 2, okay. 3, come on. 4, yeah. Okay, real good. 4 pennies in the cup. Throw that dice now. 3. Now grab 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so put those in the cup. Okay, get them in there. Okay, now, do you know how much pennies are in the cup? 4? No, I don't think so. Okay, here we go. Let's do it again. Where we had, here's your 2 pennies. Now, what was the first thing you threw? 4. So, what are you going to do? Pick it up the right way now. Don't pick it up like that. Pick it up the right way. And where are you going to put it? On the floor. And what was the next number you threw? 3. So what are you going to do? Count 3 spaces. Go ahead.
1,
Yep.
2,
Yep.
3.
Okay, put it down. And what do you think the answer is now?
7.
7. You're right. Okay, so turn it over. All right, pick it up and count those pennies.
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, very good. You got it right, all 3 of them. We did 3, and you got them all right. You know how to do this. Pennies are going away, and now we're going to play our game, but we're going to play our game different. We're going to do it a little different, okay?
With 2 dice.
With 2 dice, you're going to have 2, and you're going to add, and I'm going to have 2, and I'm going to add.
Well,
Okay, so you'll have to use the card. Okay, so here is the game board. Get your frog and put them on the start. I'll get your frog. Okay, and here, that's my frog, isn't it? Okay, here's start, right over here. Put it over here. Bring that frog. Give me my frog. Okay, here we go. Put your frog right here. Here we come. Got it set? Okay, now, you are going to go first. Or you want me to go first?
I want to go.
Oh, okay, you go first. Okay, so get another blue dice. And give me that pink one, so I get my 2 pinks, and you get your 2 blues. Okay, now, you throw both of your dice and bounce them off that wall there. Okay, you get 3 and 6. Hold it. No. This is what you got to do. First of all, you got to put a penny on the watch. Which 3, and how many you got to count? 6. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so what do you get?
9.
9. So that's how far you go. 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait.
8.
9.
No, one more.
10.
No, that's 9.
9.
9 on 9, right? Okay, now it's my turn.
I just did a bad thing.
Okay, now you're going to have to figure out what I get too, okay? Okay, so put your dice down, and I'm going to throw my dice. Put your dice down. Don't touch them. Get over here by the card and the 2 pennies, because here it goes. Okay, I got a 0 and a 2. So do you know how many I got to move? What's it, 0 and 2? You're right, 2. So I just go 1, 2, because we don't even have to use the card for that one. Okay, it's your turn. Roll up against the box. There you go. You got a 0 and a 2 also. So how many do you got to move? So where are you going to be now? Where are you?
11.
You're at 11, right. Okay, it's my turn. Ready? Here we go. Get ready. I got a 7 and a 2. Okay, so I got 7 and 2. So will you use your 2 pennies and tell me how far I got to go? Go ahead, put it on the card. What number goes on first? The 7, right? Okay, put it down on the 7. And I'll pick up the other penny. How many do you got to move now?
7 spaces.
How many now? Because you got a 7 and a 2. So you got the penny on the 7, and you touch it, and now how many do you move?
7 spaces.
7. You did 7 already.
No, kidding.
How many spaces?
Don't get them
2, right.
1,
And what do you get?
2, 9.
9. So I get to move 9 spaces. Would you move me 9 spaces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Hey, I'm on top of you. Okay, it's your turn to throw the dice. Go ahead. Throw them, hit the box. Easy, easy, don't throw that hard. Okay, you got a 3 and an 8. Okay, come on over and tell me what 3 and 8 is. Let's see what you get. So, where are you going to put the first penny?
3.
Okay, and then how many are you going to count?
3 spaces.
How many are you going to count now? What's the other number?
8.
8.
So I count 8
Yeah,
spaces.
so you count 8 spaces, okay.
1,
No. Start again, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6. That's only 6. You're counting 8. You're counting 8. Count 8. That's 6, 7, 8. 8 is down there.
8.
So, how many you got?
11.
11. So you get to move 11 spaces. That's a lot of spaces. Put me back. Go ahead.
1,
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
One more. Okay, now what square are you on now? Huh?
22.
You're on 22. Okay, it's my turn now. Ready? And you got to figure out how far I got to move. Okay, I got a 4 and a 6. Here, no fingers. Use the card. Use the card. 4 and 6. So where do you put the first penny?
At 4.
At 4. And how many do you got to count now?
6 spaces.
6 spaces. Right, go ahead.
1,
No, that's not 1. Now you got to jump 1. 1, right? 2, 3, 4,
5,
right?
6.
Put it down. And how many do I get to move?
6 spaces.
What's underneath that penny?
10.
10. That's how many I get to move. Move me 10.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what number am I at?
You're at 21.
Yeah, I'm at 21. That's right. Okay, it's your turn to throw the dice. Now don't throw it. Here, this time, throw the dice in the box. Okay, what'd you get? Let me see.
5 and 7.
You got 5 and 7. Okay, get the card. Get the card. And now, figure out what 5 and 7 is. Where's first penny go? The 5. And how many do you got to count?
7.
7. Okay, so start counting. You start at the 6, right? 1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and 7.
7. So how many do you get to move?
7.
No, what's that number?
12.
You get to move 12.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where are you now, Jarrell?
At 34.
Oh, at 34. Okay, now this time I'm going to throw mine in the box. Okay, ready? And I get a 6 and a 0. So how many do I get to move?
6.
I get to move 6. You know that one already, because when you add 0, you don't add anything. 1. Oh, you move me. Move me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, where am I now?
27.
I'm at 27. Okay, now it's your turn to throw the dice in the box. Here, let me get these. Hold it. Let me get mine out of there. Okay, go ahead. You got it. Ooh, you got a big number. You know what you got? Take a look.
It's like 97.
Yeah, it's a 9 and
7.
a 7. Okay, you got a 9 and a 7. So where does your first penny go? At 9. Put it on the 9. And how many? Pick up your other penny. Now how many you gonna count? Now,
No.
how many? You did the 9, and what was the other number you got?
7.
7. So now you're going to count 7. So count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7. So what do you get?
16.
16. You get to move 16 spaces. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Where are you?
50.
You're halfway already. Wow. That's pretty good. Okay, it's my turn to throw the dice. Okay, I got 1 and 1.
11.
No, 1 and 1. You put a penny on the 1 and pick up the other penny, touch it, and now move one more square
1,
and put it down. So how many do I get to move?
2,
2. Move me 2.
1, 2.
And where am I now? 29. You're right. Okay.
I'm
Here-
still at 50.
Yeah, you're way ahead of me. Okay, hold it. Now throw them in the box. You got a 6,
and 7.
a 6 and a 7. Okay, now figure out for me what 6 and 7 is. You put the first penny on the 6, and how many, pick up the other penny, and how many you gonna count now? What was the other number? You got the 6, what's the other number?
7.
7.
And 7 spaces.
7 spaces. Okay, so go.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many do you get to move? What's that number right there?
13.
13 more spaces. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. And where are you now?
At 63.
You're at 63. And now it's my turn to throw the dice. Okay, here I come. I got a 9 and a 2. Would you figure out for me how far I get to jump? Yeah, I got a 9 and a 2. Okay, you put it on the 9, and no, you don't put it on the 2. You got it on the 9, you touch it, and how many are you gonna move?
9.
No, you did 9. You got the 9, 9 and 2. How many do you move now?
2 spaces.
2 spaces. 1,
1, 2.
and how many do I get to move?
11.
11. Okay, so you get to move me 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm on 40 now, right?
I'm still at 63.
You're still at 63, yeah. Let me
I'm
just-
still ahead of you.
Yes, you are way ahead of me. Okay, throw them in the box. And this time you got a 2 and a 1. Do you know what 2 and 1 is? No, I don't think so. Let's do 2 and 1. Where does the first penny go? At 2. Go ahead. And you touch it. And how many are you going to move now?
2 spaces.
No, what's the other number? You did the 2. You got a 2 and a 1, right?
Yes, so we got 1,
One more space. So one more space, it puts you at
3.
3. So you get to move 3 spaces. That's right. Hey, you're moving me. That's me. I'm the green frog. You're the blue frog. 1, 2, 3. Where are you now?
I'm at 66.
You're at 66. Right.
I'm looking at each other.
Yeah, we're looking at each other. Okay, you ready?
Actually looking.
Yeah. What color eyes do you got on your frog?
Red.
You got red. Oh yeah, you got red eyes. I got blue eyes. It looks like.
Yeah.
No, black eyes. Okay, I got a 6 and a 5. Would you figure out for me how many spaces I move? I got a 6 and a 5.
And
You put a penny on the 6, and now how many are you gonna move?
6 spaces.
No, you got a penny on the 6. Now how many? You touch it, and the other number was
6.
no, the other number was a 5. So move 5 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so what do you get?
11.
11. Will you move me 11 spaces, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. I'm still ahead of you.
You're on the light green, I'm still on the blue. Okay, now it's your turn to throw the dice. Let me get mine out of there. Okay, throw the dice in the box. Oh, you missed. Go get that one and throw it in the box.
Oh no, I missed.
Okay, now stand right there by the box and throw it in. Easy. You move up. There you go. Oh, what did you get? A 0 and a 9. So what's 0 and 9? Do you remember?
9.
9, right. You do remember. So 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And where are you now?
At 75.
You're at 75. You're getting way ahead of me. Look at me. I'm on the wrong color.
Yeah,
Here we go.
I'm on the right color.
I got an 8 and a 9. I got 2 big numbers. Here, see how far I move. Tell me how far I get to go. You put it on the 8. How many are you going to count now? I got a 9. 9. Count. Touch it and count 9. Okay, now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So put penny down on that number. So what number is that?
17.
7 what?
17.
17. So count 17 for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Where am I now?
Oh, you're at 68.
Oh, I'm at 68. Oh,
Jenny,
yeah, I'm starting to catch up. Okay, throw it in the box.
I'm
Now
gonna
get
get
closer
away.
to the box so you can throw it. There you
I'm
go.
gonna get away.
You got a 4 and a 2.
I'm
Okay,
gonna get away from
okay, 4 and a 2. Put a penny on the 4 and a 2. 2, and now touch it. Now how many are you going to count?
2. Wait, 4.
4. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3,
And how many do you get to move?
6.
6 spaces. That's right. You go 6,
1, 2,
3,
3.
4, 5, 6. And where are you now?
I'm at 81.
81.
I'm
Very good.
ahead of you.
Yes, you are.
It's like this is the frog's pond.
Yeah, that's the frog pond. Is right. They're going to the frog pond. Hey, that's a good name for that. I like that. The lily paddy and the frog pond. Okay, here we go. I got a 3 and a 3.
It's like 33.
It's like 33, but it's not 33. Here, figure out how many spaces I move. 3 and 3. And now touch it, and we're going to move 3 more.
1,
2, 3. So how many spaces you move me? How many? What's it?
6.
6. Okay, move me 6.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where am I?
47.
What?
74.
I'm at 74. That's right.
I thought it was 47.
No. Here you go. Here you go. You got a 9 and a 2. Okay, figure out how many spaces you get. 9 and 2. Put it on the 9. And how many more you got to count? 9 and 2.
2.
2, that's right. Go ahead. 1, 2. So how many spaces do you get?
11.
11 spaces. That's a lot of spaces.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
10. No, 10.
10, 11.
11. And where are you now?
That way.
Where are you now?
I'm at 92.
92. Very good. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm going to throw the dice. You ready? Here we go. I got 5 and 5. I bet you know 5 and 5 even before you use the card. What's 5 and 5?
5 plus 5 is 10.
5 plus 5 is 10. You're right. You knew that one. So move me 10 spaces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where am I now? 84. Okay. Now it's going to be your turn to move, and you might. Go ahead. You got 3 and 2. Go ahead. Show me what 3 and 2 is.
3 and 2.
Okay, you got it on 2, and then touch it. And now you're going to move how many? You did the 2. 3. Move 3.
1, 2, 3.
And what's the answer?
5.
5. Move me 5 spaces. No, it's you. I'm sorry, that was you. Don't move me, move you.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. You're on what?
97.
Oh, you're almost gonna win.
Yes.
Unless I throw a real big number, I might win, but I doubt it. I don't know. Here we go. 2 and 9. I got 2 and 9. Would you do 2 and 9 for me? 2 and 9. Okay, now you got to pick up one of them. Okay, now how many are you going to count? That's the 2.
No.
You're going to count 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,